Hello friends, so we have left one weave in a square-headed bolt and nut assembly that is about a weave across flats. So now the dimensions are provided here. So the distance the the distance between flats is 1.5d plus 3 mm, and rest of the dimensions are same. Now we have a chamfer arc whose distance is 2d. So now let us quickly switch on to solid edge. So already we have done a weave across corners here. Let us go for a weave across flats. So draw in center line first. So convert it to center line type. You can go for width is less. Now go for the offset command. So diameter of bolt is 25. Let us go for 12.5 and you just offset this one on top side as well as bottom side. Now already draw a view across corners. Let us project the reference lines here. Now trim out unwanted portion. So now the distance across is 1.5d plus 3 mm. Let us go for offset again. So 1.5d plus 3 mm. I think you're going to get a 40.5 as it is to maintain symmetry about axis will divided by 2. Now take a single, just offset this center line on top side, center line on bottom side. Okay. Once you got your rough sketch, a better practice is to just trim out unwanted portions quickly. So now let's check out dimensions whether you got right or wrong. Okay, it is 40.5. Okay. As you seen, the dimensions for chamfer radius is 2D. I'll go for offset command, so I'll put it as a 2D. LB is how much? It is a 50. Select this line and place it inside. What you got? You got center point to draw an arc here. Okay, take this as center point. This as a radius. Just draw one arc here. Now extend back that one to on other side. Now use trim. Okay. Now we can erase this line. Similarly, draw arc. Otherwise, you just mirror that already drawn arc. Okay. I'll go for offset. Distance is a 50. I'll take a single. I'll place it inside here. Now arc by center point method. I'll put this as a center point and this as the arc radius. Now the thing is that you need to draw the thread portion. You can just project from the top view. You can just project from top view. Otherwise go for offset. So it is a 0.45 into 25 on each side. It is 11.25. So select center line and place it on top side. Select center line, place it on down side. Okay. Now select this line, make it as a very thin line. 0.13 thickness. Now trim out unwanted portion. I'll go for closer look here. Now distance for chamfer is 45 degree into 0.1d. Okay, I'll select these lines. I've got a chamfer. Just join here. Trim unwanted portion. So now this diagram completes the all visible portions. Suppose if you want to show hidden portions, you can just draw the lines here, make them as an hidden lines. Select here all these 4 lines and just make it as hidden lines. And let us draw side view. So I'll just draw one reference line from top surface as well as from bottom surface, and now I'll draw a circle here. I'll go for offset distance as 20.25 on one side. I will select this center line and offset on left side, and I will offset it on right side. Once you got the square, you just trim out unwanted portion. Now we need to draw another 2 circles. One is of diameter 25. One more, it is of minor diameter. Okay, that is how much, 0.9 into 25. As I said, it has to be shown with a very thin line, and that too 3/4 portion. Now put the dimensions, measure dimensions. So now this completes the view across flat surfaces.